So I was going to install today Android head unit in a Mitsubishi Lancer, which is year 2016, I guess. And the customer asked to install a new camera with it. Well, I realized he already have a camera, which is a factory camera, and I thought, why not we just hook it up with an aftermarket head unit, the factory camera, and it's not that bad resolution. So I'll show you the wiring for the factory camera here. Usually it's a 8-pin connector. Most of time I saw in Mitsubishi they are always 8-pin connector, some like this one here. So excuse, I was testing some of wires. So this first one from here, if you're holding connector like this from left side, the first one you have to provide 6 volt here, 6.5, not more than that, for the camera. And this one here, the bottom pin from left side, you have to provide ground or negative here. And next to one here, these two here which I cut off, and I install a RCA connector at front. Red one is, which is second pin from left, is the camera positive, and this is camera negative here. So I install this converter which gonna convert 12 volt to 6 volt here. And one more important thing, this third pin here, if you are seeing from top, 1 2 3, third pin, this white one here has the reverse trigger wire. So reverse trigger wire also supplying converting 6 volt here to provide 6 volt to camera, and also giving a trigger to head unit as well. I hope this video will help. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.